Have you ever wondered why humans are so judgmental? This might be the answer. Probably all of us have encountered or will encounter a person who easily judges us or another person based on nothing. Even ourselves may have been judgmental in some occasions. We all know how bad this is, but might still continue to do it here or there. But have you ever imagined that there might be a physiological reason for that? Let me start with an experiment. Look at the following picture and tell me, what do you see? This picture was painted by the Italian painter Arcimboldo back in the 16th century. As you have probably noticed, the picture is basically the human face, made up of various fruits. But the question is, which perception of the picture will come to your mind first, the fruits or the face? Studies have revealed some interesting results. When showing such pictures to both humans and monkeys for a very short time frame, say like 2 seconds, it was seen that humans mostly detect the face part and then the fruit compartments of the picture. But when it comes to monkeys, they tend to primarily recognize the picture as a fruit before recognizing faces. In better words, humans have a global processing bias, in contrast to monkeys who have local processing bias. Monkeys start with the details and then look at the global picture, but humans look at the global picture prior to going into details, albeit if they go into details. Why is it like this? Maybe it's because the human brains prefer not to spend so much energy thinking. Or maybe it's because it wants to be ready to react fast to sudden situations. Anyway, the point here is that the human brain is wired in a way to look at things globally before asking or looking for details. And this might be the reason why many humans are judgmental without having any details of what is going on. If this is true, then being judgmental may be part of the human nature. And therefore, you can't just ask people, please do not be judgmental. It requires intervention, and the best intervention can be education. Maybe there should be classes in school titled The Art of Being Non-Judgmental. Anyway, until then, remember, whenever you want to judge someone prematurely, try not to be human and be like a monkey.